How to create a GitHub account? Follow this step. First, open your web browser on your device. Next, click on the search bar and type GitHub login and search for it. Then click on the result that appears at the top of the screen. This will take you to the official GitHub login page. Once there, click on create an account. On the sign up page, you will be asked to enter some important details. Begin by typing your email address. After that, create a password. It should be at least 8 characters including a number and a lowercase letter. Likewise, enter a username that represents you. Furthermore, select your country or region from the drop-down menu. Once you have filled out all the required details, click on Continue button to move forward. After that, check your mail and enter the verification code sent to your mail to activate your account. Finally, your GitHub account is now created. Enter your username and password to sign in. And there you go. This is how to create a GitHub account.